Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus gaming laptop. Click the link below for the best price. If you're after a sleek, ultra-thin powerhouse that blends cutting-edge AI computing with top-tier gaming performance, the MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus Ego 46 COD delivers in every category. With its ultra-portable form factor, blazing fast OLED display, and a smart AI-focused AMD chip, this is a laptop built for gamers and creators who demand power, speed, and stunning visuals, all in a lightweight package. Let's dive into what makes this laptop stand out. First off, the display. You're looking at a 16-inch QHD Plus OLED panel with a 240Hz refresh rate, and yes, it looks just as incredible as it sounds. The OLED panel delivers true blacks, vibrant colors, and ultra-wide contrast, making everything from high-end gaming to creative editing absolutely gorgeous. Pair that with 240Hz, and you get silky smooth motion that's perfect for fast-paced FPS, racing, and esports titles. Now powering this beast is the AMD Ryzen AI 7350 processor. This is one of AMD's latest AI-focused chips, packed with next-gen architecture that blends high-performance computing with dedicated AI acceleration. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or using AI-powered apps, the Ryzen AI 7350 delivers incredible efficiency and smart responsiveness. It's optimized for multitasking, low latency, and AI-driven features that elevate your workflow. Complementing the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 giving you desktop-grade performance in a mobile form. With advanced ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and AI-enhanced graphics, you can crank up the settings in today's most demanding games and still enjoy high frame rates at QHD Plus resolution. The 5070T is also ideal for content creation, think 3D modeling, high-res video editing, and rendering, all smooth, all accelerated. To keep things running fast, the Stealth A16 comes with 32GB of LPDDR5x RAM, offering blazing memory speeds and ultra-low power consumption. Whether you're flipping between dozens of browser tabs, streaming 4K, or editing multiple layers in Photoshop, this laptop won't even flinch. And with a 1TB SSD, you're set with lightning-fast load times, instant boot-ups, and plenty of storage for your games, files, and creative projects. It's spacious, responsive, and future-proof. Now let's talk about design. The MSI Stealth A16 really lives up to its name. It's ultra-thin, ultralight, and finished in a premium chassis that's built to travel. Whether you're gaming on the go or working in a cafe, this laptop is made to be portable without sacrificing power. It's subtle, sleek, and professional, perfect for both work and play. Cooling is handled by MSI's advanced thermal solutions, ensuring optimal performance even during long gaming sessions. The fans are smart, quiet, and efficient, so the laptop stays cool without disturbing your workflow or immersion. As for audio and input, you get a high-quality speaker system, a precision touchpad, and a backlit keyboard that's not just for aesthetics, it's built for gamers who care about tactile feedback and accuracy. Every keystroke feels fast and responsive, and the lighting adds that signature gaming style. Connectivity is also top-tier, with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6E for blazing wireless speeds, and Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless device pairing. You've also got Windows 11 Home pre-installed, giving you access to the latest gaming and productivity features out of the box. So whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone who just wants premium performance with next-level visuals in a thin and light package, the MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus checks every box. It's powerful, portable, future-ready, and absolutely stunning. Click the link below for the best price, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep-dive reviews on the latest gaming tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.